Hello everyone, this is Tarani. Welcome back to the channel again. Yes, I'm a UX designer, a senior experience design consultant, and you can follow me on Instagram and LinkedIn too. Yeah, let's get into the content. So today I did something very dangerous. So I showed my design to AI, not my mentor, not my manager, not my senior. I showed it to artificial intelligence. Yes, and trust me, it really judged me and gave me the feedback that I really wanted. If you're a designer who is tired of waiting for the feedback, chasing teammates, hearing looks good with no specific details to improve your designs, then this video is for you. Because today I'm reviewing this AI tool called Floto AI in Figma plugin, a brilliant tool that gives you feedback of your designs in Figma itself. Let's see whether it's actually helpful or it's just another AI bro in tech. Let me be honest. As designers, we spend a lot of time in just setting up proper pixel perfect designs, checking for the auto layout. So it's all a bit of headache that you need to review it once again. Everything is done, and then you give it to someone for the review. It can be either a manager or senior or anyone, and they just say something feels off and don't tell what's off there. Literally, what bro? What's off in there? I really don't understand. I tried everything. I tried my best to give you the proper designs, but still it feels off. No clarity, no logic, no solutions. So let's see. So this is Floto AI. It's a just need to do a login, and it's available in Figma plugin as well. The best part is it works inside Figma. No exporting, no screenshots, no drama. Just plug in, click, and get the feedback. My kind of tool it is. And let me show you how it works. You can open Figma, go to the community, search Floto, install the plugin, and you can use it like whichever the file that you want, and it's done. Now open any design landing page. You can choose, I'm going to choose this screen, choose this landing page for the review. Open Floto, and you can run the audit. Meanwhile, I'm like, please be kind, please be kind. And boom. That's all it takes. Okay, so the results are here. And wow, it checks visual hierarchy, usability, accessibility, spacing, and CTA clarity. We have got these results, only two minor changes. So the persona testing, now come my favorite part. This is persona testing. This means Floto pretends to be different users. Now let's go for the flow validation. This checks your full journey, a login, browse, select, pay, and confirm. So where users drop, where they get confused, edge cases, dead ends, basically where your users rage quit. So very useful for product designers. Maybe you can go for it. And report insights can be like this. Like after analysis, you get your proper report, not random points. Actual data backed insights, structured feedback, and highlight issues, whatever that it comes in. And you can share this with product manager, client, and team. So it has both pricing and free credits. They use credit system, and when you sign up, you get 1000 credits free points, which means you can test a lot before paying for it. So no pressure, try, test, and decide. This is my honest review. I have included both the pros and cons here. Now these are like pros: easy to use, it's inside Figma, fast results, great for solo designers of course, and good for juniors and freelancers. When it comes to cons, I can say AI is not human. Some feedback can be generic, still it needs your brain. When everybody says it's not good, something is off. Like, what's off? My life, my career, my design, everything. Don't say that, please. Overall view is Floto is like that honest friend who tells you the design is good, but this part is bad. If you are a student, a freelancer, a solo designer, or a startup designer, this tool can really be helpful to improve faster. I have put the links in the description. Try it and tell me, did AI roast your design or actually helped you? Subscribe for more design information. See you in the next one. Bye bye.